The first touchscreen phone which I used was the Samsung Galaxy Young. How it looks after 10 years? Coming up. The Samsung Galaxy Young, Galaxy Y for short, was launched in 2011 in October. The phone comes with a 3.00-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 240 and 320 pixels. Samsung Galaxy Y runs on Android 2.3 and is powered by a 830 MHz 1-core processor and a 1200 mAh battery which is removable. It comes with 290 MB of RAM and 162 MB of internal storage. It really irritated me back in those days, though it is expandable up to 32 GB. This phone here is damn small. As far as the camera is concerned, the Galaxy Young has a single 2 megapixel rear camera and we don't get a front camera in the phone. Talking about connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi, GPS and Bluetooth. It supports 3G only. It has 3 sensors which are magnetometer or the compass sensor, proximity sensor and the accelerometer sensor. On Amazon, it is priced Rs 3,400 both for the black and the white variant here in India. Well, it is out of stock and I won't recommend you to buy it at all. Though here it is still alive after 10 years with a broken volume up button and the home button which is also broken. The screen is also damaged and there are a lot of scratches. And of course you won't be able to play high graphic games like PUBG and it hangs a lot. Well, that's all for the video. I have a lot of interesting video coming up, so stay tuned by hitting the subscribe and the bell icon. I'll meet you in the next one.